Welcome to JH. In this video, I will walk you through the necessary steps to restore a disabled Google account. Dealing with a locked account is often a frustrating experience, but I am here to help you navigate the recovery process. By following these instructions, you will be able to get your account back up and running quickly. First, begin by opening your preferred web browser, such as Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Go to the address bar, type in support.google.com, and hit Enter to reach the Google Support homepage. On this screen, click on the Google Account option, which is the main entry point for all account-related queries. As you navigate this page, scroll down until you find the link that says Post to the Help Community and click it. Now, click on Post a Question to communicate directly with Google's community support team. In the first text field, enter your formal appeal request. Be straightforward and clear about why your account should be reinstated. In the next field, provide more detailed information about your request. Be specific about the events that led to your account being disabled, as more detail allows the support team to assist you more effectively. In the Category section, select Account Access and Recovery to ensure your request is sent to the right team. After filling in these details, click Next. You will be asked to select either Account Recovery or another available option. Choose the one that fits your scenario and click Next Step. Now, select your platform, such as Android, iOS, or web, and click Next Step again. Before finishing, ensure you have checked the option to receive emails when someone responds so you are notified immediately. Finally, click on Post. Your request is submitted, and you simply need to wait for a response. Keep an eye on your email for updates and have your documents ready for verification. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide is helpful.